Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple TV Remote on Samsung TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung TV and who have an Apple TV. How do you actually use your Apple TV Remote on your Samsung TV? Now the way to actually do this is that first you're going to connect your Apple TV to your Samsung TV. Now next, what you want to do is that you want to go into the settings tab here with your Apple TV Remote. Then click on remotes and devices, and then from here you want to click on control TVs and receivers and make sure that this is set to on. So what this is going to do is that it's going to allow your Apple TV remote to control your Samsung TV. So notice how on the bottom left hand side, let me zoom in, it says that turn on control for TVs and receivers. And then if you want to learn how to control your TV with remote, go to this link over here. But make sure that this is set to on. You'll be able to control your volume, and you'll also be able to control your TV as far as turning it on and off goes with the power button right over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Apple TV remote on your Samsung TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.